In the bustling world of dairy alternatives, one company emerged with a promise to revolutionize our morning routines and redefine sustainability: Oatly. From humble beginnings in Sweden, this company rode the wave of the plant-based movement, turning oats into liquid gold. But behind its success lies a story of ambition, controversy, and now uncertainty. Oatly's journey began in the 1990s when Swedish scientist Rickard Oos pioneered a method to turn oats into a creamy, lactose-free drink. His vision wasn't just about creating a product. It was about challenging the status quo of dairy farming and environmental impact. This bold idea birthed Oatly, and soon shelves worldwide stocked its distinctive packaging, a black carton with bold, irreverent branding. As consumer demand for sustainable and plant-based alternatives grew, Oatly positioned itself at the forefront of the movement, emphasizing transparency and the environmental benefits of oat-based products. Their approach wasn't just about catering to dietary preferences, but also fostering a deeper connection between consumers and their food choices. The 2010s marked Oatly's ascent into the mainstream. With growing concerns over climate change and health, consumers eagerly embraced its oat milk. Celebrities flaunted it, baristas championed its frothability, and investors poured in millions. Oatly became synonymous with ethical consumption, appealing not just to vegans but to anyone craving a guilt-free latte. Its rise symbolized a shift towards sustainable alternatives in the dairy industry, sparking a wave of oat milk competitors and influencing coffee culture worldwide. By leveraging clever marketing and a compelling sustainability narrative, Oatly transcended niche markets to become a household name, reshaping perceptions of dairy consumption and setting a precedent for future eco-friendly food trends. By 2020, Oatly had become a billion-dollar brand, a darling of sustainability enthusiasts and Silicon Valley alike. Its success wasn't just in its products, but in its savvy marketing campaigns, which blurred the lines between activism and advertising. Oatly wasn't just selling milk, it was selling a lifestyle, one that promised to save the planet one oat at a time. Through bold slogans and quirky advertisements, Oatly positioned itself as not just a dairy alternative, but a movement. Its irreverent approach to marketing challenged conventional norms, garnering a cult-like following among consumers eager to align themselves with its eco-friendly ethos. This brand identity, rooted in sustainability and social consciousness, catapulted Oatly into global recognition, influencing both consumer choices and corporate strategies within the food and beverage industry. But as Oatly's star rose, so did the scrutiny. Critics accused it of greenwashing, exaggerating its environmental benefits while downplaying its own carbon footprint. The company faced backlash for partnering with Blackstone, the private equity firm with ties to deforestation. These controversies tarnished Oatly's once pristine image, raising questions about its commitment to the very values it championed. Despite its initial appeal as a sustainable alternative to dairy, Oatly found itself navigating a complex landscape of corporate responsibility and consumer trust. The criticisms highlighted a growing challenge for companies balancing profitability with environmental and ethical considerations. Oatly's response would be crucial in determining whether it could regain the trust of its disillusioned supporters and maintain its position in the competitive market of plant-based products. Amidst this whirlwind, Oatly decided to go public in May 2021, a move that promised to catapult it into a new era of growth and global domination. Initial public offerings, IPOs, were often seen as a company's crowning achievement, a validation of its market position and future potential. Oatly's IPO was no exception. It was a blockbuster event, capturing headlines and investor interest worldwide. The Swedish oat milk company, known for its sustainable practices and innovative branding, saw its stock surge on the first day of trading, reflecting intense investor enthusiasm. This public debut not only raised significant capital for Oatly, but also solidified its status as a leader in the plant-based food sector. With its eye-catching advertising campaigns and expanding product line, Oatly seemed poised to capitalize on growing consumer demand for sustainable and healthy alternatives. However, behind the scenes, storm clouds were gathering. Financial analysts began to scrutinize Oatly's balance sheets, questioning its profitability amidst fierce competition and rising costs. Despite soaring revenues, Oatly struggled to turn a profit, a red flag in an industry where sustainability alone couldn't sustain a business model. The company faced mounting pressures from investors and stakeholders alike, demanding clearer paths to profitability. This scrutiny intensified as market dynamics shifted, with consumers showing increasing price sensitivity and competitors launching similar oat milk products at lower costs. Oatly's strategic decisions were now under the microscope, with each move critical to navigating the turbulent waters of the plant-based beverage market. By mid-2023, Oatly found itself at a crossroads. Burdened by debt and facing operational challenges, whispers of bankruptcy circulated. The very company that had once promised to disrupt dairy was now on the brink of its own disruption. Investors watched nervously as Oatly's stock prices plummeted, a stark contrast to the optimism that had surrounded its IPO just months earlier. Despite strategic partnerships and a loyal customer base drawn to its eco-friendly image, internal mismanagement and production issues plagued the company. Efforts to expand production capacity had backfired, exacerbating financial woes. As competitors capitalized on consumer trends towards plant-based alternatives, Oatly struggled to regain its footing, leaving industry analysts questioning its long-term viability. As 2024 dawned, Oatly's future remained uncertain. Can it reclaim its status as a pioneer of sustainable consumption? Or will it become a cautionary tale of overambition and corporate hubris? Whatever the outcome, Oatly's story is a reminder that in the volatile world of business, success can be fleeting and sustainability, though noble, is no guarantee of survival. The company's journey reflects broader challenges faced by businesses navigating the balance between growth and maintaining ethical integrity. Oatly's early success in promoting oat milk as an eco-friendly alternative inspired competitors, yet its rapid expansion strained its capacity to uphold its founding values. Whether Oatly emerges as a resilient example of sustainable innovation or a cautionary tale underscores the complexities of achieving long-term success in a global marketplace driven by both profit and principles. This video isn't just about Oatly, it's about the broader lessons we can learn from its rise and potential fall. It's a reflection on the intersection of commerce and conscience, where ideals meet the harsh realities of the market. As we delve into Oatly's journey, consider what it represents, the hopes and pitfalls of chasing innovation and sustainability in a world that demands both. Oatly's trajectory offers insights into how companies navigate consumer expectations for ethical practices while balancing profitability, illustrating the delicate dance between principles and profitability in today's marketplace. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts on Oatly's story. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of business and beyond. Your support helps us continue to bring you content that sparks conversation and reflection. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.